The focus of Hilco is to supply consumers with cleaning products for eyeglasses, safety glasses. We also do respirator wipes. We do 8 million towelettes a week. Each individual package is stamped with the date, with the time, and the machine number. We have always tried embossing, and we've been running around trying to figure out different solutions because we had a lot of problems with the embossing infecting the seal on the towelettes, causing the customer to get towelettes that would dry. We were constantly trying to manipulate the machine to be able to put the date hard enough where it was visible, but also not puncturing the seal. One day we just happened to pick up a magazine and we saw an article in there about inkjet printing.
Hilco originally contacted us as a direct response to some of the advertising that we had placed in trade publications. The Say No to CIJ campaign was developed to inform end users that there was another solution out there, a solution that was better, that was cleaner, that was more reliable. HP's thermal inkjet solutions are perfect, particularly for this industry. The new solvent bulk system is the only one that's really capable of delivering the new solvent-based inks in a consistent and easy to use manner. They're reliable, they have a very low operating cost, no maintenance whatsoever, and absolutely no mess. Primarily, Hilco had issues with uptime, reliability, and complexity, and the HP technology solved all of those problems in a heartbeat.
The inkjet system has been excellent. We pretty much get the ink cartridges in, we plug them in, we press start on the screen, and up and running. There's very little maintenance. We just plug it in and it runs. I would definitely recommend the HP bulk ink system for anybody that's doing any type of coding or tracking that would like to cross-reference their product.